How artificial intelligence is advancing. Welcome to our exploration of artificial intelligence and its remarkable advancements. From Alan Turing's foundational work to the rise of cutting-edge transformers, AI has come a long way. In this video, we'll delve into the key points of AI. AI's development, its advantages, how to utilize it, and the crucial differences between human intelligence, and AI. Part 1. Key points of AI's development. Artificial intelligence traces its roots back to the pioneering work of Alan Turing in the 1950s. His concept of the Turing test paved the way for machine intelligence that could mimic human-like behavior. Over the decades, AI research has made significant progress in key areas.
1.1 Machine learning. One of the cornerstones of modern AI, machine learning enables computers to learn and improve from experience without explicit programming. This has opened the door to incredible achievements in various domains, such as natural language processing, image recognition, and data analysis. 1.2 Deep learning. Inspired by the structure of the human brain, deep learning utilizes artificial neural networks to process vast amounts of data and extract complex patterns. The emergence of deep learning models like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, has revolutionized AI applications. 1.3 Big data and cloud computing. The explosion of data generated in the digital age has been instrumental in advancing AI. Cloud computing allows access to vast computing power, enabling the processing and analysis of enormous datasets in real time. 1.4 Generative AI. Recent breakthroughs in generative models, such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, and transformers, have taken AI to new heights, enabling the creation of realistic images, videos, and text, with profound implications across industries. Part 2. Advantages of AI. Narrator. Voice-over AI's rapid development has unlocked numerous advantages that impact our daily lives and industries. 2.1 Automation and efficiency. AI-powered automation streamlines processes, leading to increased efficiency and reduced human errors. Tasks that once required human intervention can now be handled autonomously by AI systems. 2.2 Personalization. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to understand individual preferences and behavior. This allows businesses to offer personalized recommendations and experiences to users, improving customer satisfaction. 2.3 Healthcare advancements. AI has brought transformative changes to healthcare, aiding in early disease detection, medical image analysis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans.